Okay guys, so this is going to be my entry into the Shua L one pick or one tension wrench challenge. And as you can see, obviously with Shua L's fantastic YouTube channel being over in Australia, obviously I've got Australian locks. So obviously we've got two wafer locks, the 334S, the 334B, and of course the 245 1970s beautiful padlock there. So listen, I'm going to get straight on with this and start with the wafer lock. And I will leave a link for Shua L's fantastic YouTube channel in the top right hand corner there. And I suggest you get yourself over there. It's got an absolutely fantastic channel, and yeah, so definitely well worth checking out. Okay, so we're at about a minute now, so let's see how we get on with this. Okay, so I'm going to key for this one, so going in a bit blind with this one. Obviously I have picked them all before. Okay, that's that one there before. Okay, that's that one done. Okay, wafer lock number 2. Click, 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 click. Quite medium tension on this one. Make sure you can see what I'm doing. Okay, that's good. We're open there. Also, make sure you see the actual lock works there. The keys there. Come on. Obviously, all working beautifully. Just show you this one's working. Superb. Okay. You don't need to do that. Top of the keyway on this one. Okay, medium to light tension. Okay, pin 3. And 4. Good. Really got to be gentle with the tension with these. Okay, overset that one. Don't really need that really. Okay. Okay, pin 2. 3. 4. Okay, slightly overset that one there. Okay, 2. Okay, got 2 set that time. It's actually a lot harder than you think this is with one tension wrench. Obviously with the time ticking away as well. It's, this is actually my second attempt. There you go, I've done that one there. Obviously the 334B, yeah, I got to about 12 seconds and couldn't get the 45 if I'm being honest with you. So hopefully this time will be a bit better. Obviously we're at 325, okay, that's pin 3. This one normally is a little bit easier than the 334S, but of course under pressure, who knows what's going to happen. Okay, it's 3, 4 and 5. Okay, that's good, just got 5 to do. Overset, so another go. But really gentle. Okay, 3's dropped. Okay, got 3 that time. 4. No. Well, that's good. 2. 4 again. Gotcha. Okay, that's the 334B. Okay, now it's beauty. The 245. Okay. Okay, that's pin 1. 3. 2. And there we go, open. So there you go, 5 padlocks. Obviously it's earned me 1 ticket. I'm only going to go for the 1 ticket. Yeah, it's as I said, what a fantastic challenge. I think it's thoroughly enjoyable. The pressure of the time is just phenomenal. It really is. And only being able to use obviously 1 tool, 1 pick and 1 tension wrench, absolutely fantastic. And now obviously if I had another 5 padlocks and a bit more brave pills, then of course I could have gone for the double ticket. But listen, I'm happy with 1 ticket. And Shua L, what a fantastic challenge, thoroughly enjoyed it. I'm really pleased I actually managed to enter. And of course I'll leave all the links up there and obviously in the description for everybody else to have a go. It's really good fun, you know. And yeah, it's it's amazing, the pressure. Oh dear. But anyway, listen, that's my entry. And Shua L, my friend, what a fantastic channel. You're doing a fantastic job. And yeah, have a great day everybody, and I'll catch up for you on Stock Lock Sunday. Cheers chaps, cheers, bye.